Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make an impactful LinkedIn summary. Your summary is a crucial part of your professional profile, acting as your personal elevator pitch. It's your chance to tell your unique story, highlight your expertise, and clearly state your career goals. A well-crafted summary can significantly boost your visibility and attract the right opportunities, making a strong first impression on anyone viewing your profile. Let's talk about structuring your summary for maximum impact. Start with a compelling opening sentence that immediately captures interest and defines your professional identity. Follow this with 2 or 3 sentences outlining your key skills, experiences, and what you bring to the table. Finally, wrap it up with a forward-looking statement about your aspirations or what kind of opportunities you are seeking. This clear flow guides the reader. To ensure your summary gets noticed, optimize it for search. Think about the keywords recruiters in your industry use and weave them naturally into your text. Don't just list responsibilities, quantify your achievements with specific numbers and metrics whenever possible. For example, instead of managed projects, say managed over 20 projects, increasing efficiency by 15%. Use powerful action verbs to describe your contributions and impact. Before publishing, always take time to polish your summary. Carefully proofread for any grammatical errors, typos, or awkward phrasing. A flawless summary reflects professionalism. Consider asking a trusted friend or colleague to review it for clarity and impact, as a fresh pair of eyes can catch things you missed. Remember to update your summary periodically to reflect new skills, experiences, and career milestones, keeping it current and relevant.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.